Lost your phone and it's offline? No need to worry because there's a powerful setting in your Galaxy S25 Ultra that helps you find it even when it's not connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Let me show you how to turn it on and add extra protection with a pin. To do so, go to Settings, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Lost Device Protection. Then tap Find My Mobile. Here, make sure Allow this phone to be found is already enabled. This is required for offline finding to work. Next, enable offline finding. Then, on the pop-up that warns it may use battery and data in the background, tap Turn On. When this feature is on, it allows your phone to be found by other Galaxy devices even when it's offline. If needed, you can add extra security with a PIN by enabling Encrypt offline location. To do so, tap Offline Finding, then enable Encrypt offline location. If it's the first time for you enabling this option, you will be asked to create a 6-digit PIN that will be required to decrypt the offline location data. Now, only you can unlock your phone's offline location. After enabling Encrypt offline location option, a new option named Reset Pins appears. If you forget your PIN later, you can use this option and sign in with your Samsung account to set a new one. So, given to the function, with offline finding and encryption enabled, your phone is much more secure and still trackable even when it's off of signal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.